What's up, guys? This is the Wizard Breaks. You all know me as Tony the Wizard Breaks. Well, we're going to be opening a Heritage Hanger Box, the last one I have seen at Target today. So let's go and open this up. Let's see if we get an auto or variation card. Let's get cracking lacking, guys. Cracking lacking this baseball box. Heritage is a great set to open. A lot of people don't like it. My favorites are hangers either way. I'm the hanger guy, so. Let's see. Jung-Hoo Lee. Let's get something going, guys. Ryan Weathers pitcher. Alec Brosen. Byron Buxton Twins. Corbin Burns. Jerry Pena. Mason Miller. Jordan Lawler. Josh Hader. Yu Darvish. Christian Moore. Parker Meadows. Christopher Sanchez. Yohan Moncada. Hunter Green. Hunter Green. Jeff McNeil. Dalen Lale. Nick Kurtz on the Topps rookie, first baseman. Jackson Jobe. Alec Bohm. We got Kyle Riley and Kyle Schwarber on the hard hitters leaders. Luis Severiano, pitcher. Gleyber Torres. Pirates. Jared Jones. Pete Piazza hits career home run for 100. We got Dylan Dingler, catcher. Got a Mike Burrows. And then Miguel Andujar. Not a damn single card, guys. Not that single card, but I think I want to say somewhere here. He was a picture. Oh no, he's gone. He's gone. Give it 3 minutes into this video. Gone, like the wind. Gone. Oh, he'll be a variation right here. Oh, he'll be a variation. 06. It was not. Okay, that's it for the video. Sorry for making it 4 minutes, but go take a look at it. Alright, guys, Wizard Breaks and whatnot. The Wizard Breaks and whatnot. All baseball and football Fridays. Let's go.